Hey everybody, it's Ash Rebel here again on Ramsey Lake. We're fishing away. I don't know if we're going to catch anything, but hey, you know what? It's always fun to try, right guys? Alright, Skellabunny is holding the camera, so we're going to have a... Here's the way this video is going to go. I'm going to talk a little bit. Skellabunny is going to video some cool things around. And if we catch a fish, we catch a fish. I think it would be great. What do y'all think? What do you think, Skella? Think that's a good way to start a video?
Yeah.
It ain't gonna bug you.
Really?
Yeah.
I know you're lying. Okay.
At least I don't think it will.
Well, it's around you, so I hope it's never gonna bug me
There
again.
you go. It's around me, it's around me. Not too bad.
Sorry?
Yeah, if only we could catch a nice fish or something around here.
Yeah. We haven't caught anything in a while.
I know. It's been a while since we've caught anything around here.
Yeah.
But you never know. There could be something here, or there might not be anything. Not looking promising right now. All right,
This is not looking safe.
I'm gonna do some.
God, don't know how to get Marty move. I'm sorry, I just don't really like the outdoors as much as my dad. Bugs don't bother him. Bugs always bother me though. Okay. You? Oh, great.
All right, look what we're using. We're using a. What is this?
Zero clue.
It's a spoon.
I like rusty spoons.
We're gonna use a birch-colored spoon. Check this out. If this works. Let that drop down a little bit, and then start reeling it back. Are you okay, Skella?
Yeah.
What's wrong, Skella?
1 minute. Sorry. All right, we're back.
Skella has weird ideas of moving around.
Yeah, I got scared over there, yet I'm fine over here on this ledge. I am weird. Okay, so. Dad, you have 4 minutes.
How many?
You already did 4 minutes, so you have 4 more. Well, you only have a few more left.
Looking like I forgot one of my main tackle on my boat.
How? You never leave tackle.
Remember my other one like this? The big one?
Yeah.
That flies a long way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know how to. We're gonna try and see.
Dang it, the horsefly was on me and then I flipped it off.
Oh, did you?
Wait, that's not a horsefly.
What is?
I don't know. It's on your hat now.
I'm not worried.
You always say that, but at one point you are going to get worried.
Why?
Yeah.
Why is it a bee?
No.
I'm not worried.
If it was a wasp, then it would be.
Oh, of course. What the heck is this? Did I find like the only spot on the lake that doesn't have it?
Most likely. I'm sorry if the camera paused out a little bit. Just, I slip a little bit once in a while.
Skella's having too much difficulty trying.
I'm good.
You good?
I made it. I'm good. But also in pain. I slid off the rock. That hurt. Okay, we're back. And as I said, I was attacking a fly.
Skella Bunny's been attacking a fly that really shouldn't be bothering her too much. But you know how kids are.
Hey. You suck, Dad. Because it sucked?
I suck?
Yeah.
Let's check this thing out. Thank you very much.
Hey, Dad, you have a few more seconds.
A few more seconds.
Well, a few more seconds until it'll be 1 minute left.
Oh, okay.
I really shouldn't have phrased it like that. That's it for everyone that's doing this. You can get way more in frame. My dad's just grabbing tackle. Dad, you've been switching tackle this most of this.
There we go. Look at that. What do you think? I might catch something with that. Who knows? I'm gonna launch this right out and I'm gonna let it sit for a while.
Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 8 minutes. Yeah, and we're not making a third video.
Yeah, we are.
Now I'm fishing. Hi.
Okay.
Alright, sorry, but okay, we're done.
Alright guys, well thank you very, very much for hanging out and watching me not catch absolutely anything. Stuff happens, right?
For 16 minutes.
For 16 minutes and nothing happened.
If you watch the other video, then yeah, you can get 16 minutes.
Okay, the way these videos are gonna go is, because I gotta start work tomorrow, and I'm just gonna make a few videos and then I'll upload them as I go. How does that sound, guys? Alright, folks, well thank you for letting us be us, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.